guys, and today we're gonna unbox a new thing, and that thing is a beast. So let me show you some pics. So this is the thing, so let's get on to the review. So guys, it says it's a Cetro headphones. By the way, it's wired, it's not wireless, and my wireless headphones are in that room, so I'm gonna do that unboxing as well. And so this is Extra Bass J08, I don't know whatever that means. But see this hi-fi sounds, it manages phone calls and sports headphone. Do you think these three are enough? No, because we've got some gaming, man. Game, yeah. This headphones also consists some game, movie, music, and what's this? It's called language. Okay, language. Yeah, now we can see language, and it is compatible with all three of these things. 1, 2, 3, and it's the MP3, MP4, MP1, whatever, phone and tablet. So let's see. It's called Cetro headphones, and these are just warnings and specifications. If you want to read them, then pause the video. And these are the colors, so I choose this color because this was not available, this was not available, this was very bad, so this color is good. So let's get on to the review. So let's get on the unboxing. So oh my gosh, this is hard. Yeah, so easy, damn easy. So let's see what the beast looks like. So let's throw this thing aside and let's get to this thing. So this comes with good wires, and this is actually, I guess, for like pausing and playing the video. And I guess like if you want to make a phone call, then click it, and if you want to end the phone call, again click it. So from this we can connect it to anything like mobile, laptop, etc. So let's get this thing off the bat. This thing is literally a beast, guys. So let's put this also aside, and look at the design, guys. Look at the design, it's so damn good. I really love the design and love the way that it rotates like this, and you can even see that these two can move according to your size of the head, because if you're small or big, then the size varies, okay? And I really love this thing. I mean, I love this, man, and I really love the way that it moves. Yeah, it's damn cool. So now that I have got headphones, I should say bye to my AirPods, guys. So guys, these are my earplugs, and bye to them forever, cause headphones coming in the way, so these are gone forever. By the way, a gift, what do we call that? Giveaway, yeah, giveaway. You can win this, and it's very cool, man. See, and it also consists of phone management call, and you got this chip to click and call a person, pause the video, blah blah blah, etc, etc. So these are cool, and look at this thing. They match alike. Yeah, they're so alike. The only thing is it's a little bit fairer, but a little bit smaller, like thinner type. So bye to this forever. Woo. So now I've got this. Let's test this thing. Oh yeah, this is a beast. And like you can hear everything, and like background noises does not come directly in my ears, because it's got this thing tight upon me. So as you guys can see, I look damn cool. So bye guys, that was the review, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and today's like aim is 25 likes. I know you guys cannot do that, but please do that. It means a lot to me, guys. If you're watching this like this right now, maybe just like a click for you, but a very big thing to a YouTuber. So peace out.